Good morning. Well, I think it's still morning. Let's have a look. Nope, it's 12:15, so good afternoon, I guess. It is Sunday. I am gonna be doing a little Sunday reset. Like, I haven't felt like myself for the past few weeks, just because work has been kind of going crazy. I haven't really been home that much. All I want to do is just kind of like clean, tidy, sort out my space, yeah, and just kind of make my house feel like a home again. I have been cleaning like throughout like the week and everything, but I just want like a full day where I'm fully like sorting my life out. I also want to sort out my wardrobe, kind of go through some of my clothes and just figure out what I want to keep, what I want to donate. Finally booked Thailand, by the way, so yeah, we're going back in literally like a week and a bit, and I kind of just want to make space for all the things that I know that I'll be buying out there. Also, I went and got my hair done. It did look really cute yesterday, but obviously this is me like waking up with it. This is giving full-on Tumblr vibes. If you guys have been with me since Tumblr days, you'll get it, you'll understand. But like, this is like the modern take, or the adult take on like the dip dye and ombre. Yeah, it's making me like so happy and so nostalgic. I love it so much. Like, it just makes me feel like my old self, and it's like something really kind of like simple. It's like not a drastic change or anything, but it is making me feel a lot better. I also need to sort out a bunch of like beauty stuff. I want to go through things and see if I can kind of like put things away for my friends, my family. But because I also have loads of stuff, I might actually do like a little giveaway box for you guys as well. I have way too much stuff and I don't have the space for it. So yeah, we're gonna sort that out too. I need a shower, so we're gonna do that. Also, I want to shout out to this brand. They did send me the product, but this is not sponsored. It's called Colt and Willow, and they do like household products, like cleaning products and stuff, and it smells so good. They send you like reusable bottles, and then they give you like the concentrate. So there's all-purpose cleaner, came in like a big bag, and then I put a little bit into here and mix it with water, and it is so good and it smells incredible. So yeah, definitely go and check out their stuff. Everything is also very aesthetically pleasing. I just want to give a shout out to this brand because they have made my house smell incredible with all their cleaning products. Start off by like clearing out some of my beauty stuff. I did get a bunch of beauty bits from Beauty Pie, and I love Beauty Pie. I've been a fan of them for so long. And start off with that because that has just been sitting like on the side for a few days now. And then yeah, I need to go through like my beauty drawer, some old makeup that I kind of like shoved in the corner since I moved in, and some other beauty bits, and figure out what I want to keep, what I want to throw away, what I want to give away. I've been putting this off for so long just because it is a little bit time consuming. I usually bring some beauty bits and goodies for my aunt and her friends, so I'm gonna make a pile of that as well. Did send me these Super Luminous Tinted Skin Glow Serum. I love like a skin tint, and I'm hoping these shades are really good for me because I kind of want to take these away on holiday with me just because they are so small. Ooh, I like the packaging. The packaging is really nice. It's really small, very compact, very like thin. That is shade... doesn't say. Well, am I just being really silly? Oh, light medium. And then this one is light warm. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, I have nothing on my face right now, like no makeup. Oh, I think that's like a really good match for my skin now. And then maybe the other one would be better when I'm on holiday. The texture of this is so nice. I love this. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more on just because I already have some on. This is so nice. If you guys didn't know what Beauty Pie is, it's literally getting you the same beauty products but without like the logo or the middleman. You're buying straight from the factory. So I usually get a lot of like my candles, because they do a lot of candles on there too, from there. My skincare is also from there too. It's really, really nice. They should definitely sponsor me by this point. Like, I love that you can still see my skin coming through, but this is such a lovely product. Okay, very impressed with that. We also have, what is this? Rapstar Tubing Mascara. I don't need any more mascara, so that's probably gonna go into a pile. Cream shadow sticks. What color is this? Kind of like the Bobbi Brown, Laura Mercier kind of dupes. Oh, this is pretty. It's like kind of like a pinky champagne color, but I do have a lot of them already, so that's gonna go into a pile. We have the Super Cheek cream blushes, and I love these so much. I had a pot that I got years and years ago, and it literally ran out last year. Like, they last forever. Always really beautiful. This one is in Sexy Berry, and like, look at it. It is so lovely. I'm actually just gonna pop it on now and show you guys. Like, you can control the intensity of it too, which is what I love. It just adds a really beautiful, like, natural glow, and then I just keep intensifying it, but it gives you a really nice, like, dewy finish. I also use this on my lids usually. Sometimes if I don't have lipstick on me, I will use this on my lips too. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. It goes really nicely with the tint. This is gonna be in my Thailand makeup bag. I don't wear a lot of like products when I'm out there just because I just get super sweaty and I just can't be bothered. So I usually take a little products like this, especially cream ones, and ones that I can multi-use, and take it with me. And then the other color they sent, it's a bit more pink coral. This one is in Universal Pink, and it's like this. It's a lot lighter and a little bit brighter. Okay, I did empty out this drawer a little bit last week, but let's go through and see what I want to keep and what I want to give away. Okay, that took way longer than I thought it would, but I finally sorted everything out. I have like a bag of stuff from my aunt, which I think she's gonna be super happy about, and then I have some stuff for my sister, my family, another one for my friends, and I thought I'd put together like a little gift box for one of you guys. If you guys want to win this, I will leave the giveaway details in the description box, but essentially you're just gonna leave your Instagram handle, and yeah, you must be following me on this channel and my Instagram, and I'll pick a winner like 2 days after this video goes live, 2-3 days. But yeah, I'll leave like all the details in the description box, but let me show you guys what I've put together for you. I've put together in the package Charlotte Tilbury beauty ones. I already have these, so I don't need these again, but they are the contour and highlight in medium and spotlight. I've put some of the Ordinary stuff in there. This is really good. Also have some cuticle oil, have some ColourPop like juicy lipsticks. Also have the Milk blush. It's so cute. I love like the little mini Milk stuff, and I have a lot of it, so I don't really need this one. It is in shade Burst. We've got some Fresh Kombucha facial treatment. This is such like a cult classic product. We've got a lipstick by Givenchy, some Skin Rocks facial oil. Last but not least, we have Sam McKnight hair mask. Everything of Sam McKnight is incredible, and yeah, I already have like 2 of these already, so I'm gonna give one away. So if you guys want to win these products, leave your Instagram handle down below, and I will be picking a winner at random in like 2 to 3 days. I'll leave all the info in my description box. The only catch is you have to be in the UK, because with all the custom stuff going on, it is kind of nuts sending things out of the UK. So yeah, these are only open to my UK followers, I'm afraid. Already boxed up for you guys. So yeah, good luck. Now we're moving on to my wardrobe. Kind of have been going through it like maybe once every 2 to 3 weeks, just to kind of see if I need to throw anything out. But yeah, like I said, my trip's coming out, and I know I'm going to be buying a lot of stuff when I go back home. So we're going to get rid of some stuff. I think I should probably start off in the drawers, because I feel like that is where I hoard a lot of my stuff, and I kind of just shove everything in there. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to looking through my drawers, not gonna lie. Just because I love t-shirts. Is that like a weird thing to say? And I find it really difficult to throw like my t-shirts away. But yeah, okay. Let's do it. Let's give it a go. So the top drawer is where I keep a lot of like my pajamas and like loungewear, but I have been shoving stuff in there. Okay, so we've got my pajamas. I am going to keep these because they are so comfortable. I need to refold a bunch of stuff and just make sure that like it's organized. Keeping my Hello Kitty pajamas. These are my favorite pajamas, by the way, and they are so soft and so comfortable, so I'm going to keep those. We've got some shorts, which I need. Oh, I do see something that I can donate, and it is this skirt. It's really cute, but like I really don't wear it that much. I can let go, donations pile. These are my pajama bottoms from Brandy Melville, which I love. And they're so comfortable, so I'm gonna keep those. These pajamas, they can go. I absolutely love them. They're like Las Vegas themed, but they were like bright pink and now they are very dull and they are faded. So I think that's gonna go into the donations pile. Ugh, okay, I still have like a bunch of stuff and 3 drawers to go, so wish me luck. Okay, I am exhausted. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I am so excited for my trip to Thailand. Like, this is gonna be Mike's first time visiting, and it's actually gonna be his first time visiting Asia. So yeah, like, I'm really excited to kind of like show him around, show him where I grew up, and explore some really cool new places with him. I have already bookmarked so many places to like check out. I can't believe we literally go like not this Tuesday but next Tuesday. It is, yeah, it's creeping upon me really quickly, but I'm so excited. If you guys want to see anything specific from my Thailand vlog, let me know down below and I will add it to my like list of things to do. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye!